Hello, welcome back. I'm so glad to be on your faces again. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce your moisturizing bath soap. Yes, how to make moisturizing bath soap. Yes, I'll be producing this soap with two beautiful and important ingredient. Yes, making use of our turmeric and beeswax. Yes, I will be listing some of the benefits of these two things in our soap. You know that turmeric can help you reduce skin inflammation. Yes, this is our powerful turmeric. Do you see the turmeric? It is not small. It is very, very beneficial to the skin. It can also help fight acne. If you have pimples on your face, you can actually use this turmeric and soap to remove those acne and make soap even. So let's see the chemicals we'll be using. I'll be using beeswax. I'll be using 10 grams of beeswax. Just come with me, just relax. This is our caustic soda. You know we cannot make a bar soap without caustic soda actually, unless you're making a melt and pour soap. I'll be using 10 grams of caustic soda, 400 mils of palm kernel oil. You can actually mix oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil. You can mix 2 or 3 oils together. I'll be using palm kernel oil here. And I'll be using 200 ml of my water. And here is my beautiful mold. I'll be using silicone mold. And to let you know, I also sell silicone molds. Have different shapes and beautiful designs. So if you want, just send me a WhatsApp message on that number above and I'll get it delivered to you. Okay, let's continue. So what do we do first? I'm trying to make my lye solution. So I've poured in my lye, my caustic soda, in my water. Remember, we are using 50 grams of caustic soda and 200 ml of water. So I've mixed them together to make my lye solution. So just follow me, just relax. While we are doing that, you also know that turmeric can also help you to heal small wounds in the body. It is very, very good. Okay, this is my beeswax. I'm trying to melt it. You can either melt your beeswax using your double boiler method or using very, very low heat. Here, I'm melting my beeswax, my 10 grams of beeswax. You know that beeswax itself is a natural moisturizer. Yes, that's why I call this bath soap a moisturizing bath soap. Beeswax can moisturize the skin. It also softens and hydrates the skin, making it glow. Beeswax can make your skin glow. Beeswax also contains antibacterial properties. That is, it helps you keep bacteria away. So you can see how important beeswax is to our skin. So here I've added my melted beeswax in my palm kernel oil. Like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil. You can use almond oil, any oil. You can try to mix 2 or 3 oils. So I've poured in my lye solution in my palm kernel oil and beeswax mixture. So I'll just mix. I'm pouring it in gradually while I'm mixing so that it will gel properly. And also know that beeswax is very, very rich in vitamin A. Is very, very rich in vitamin A. This is why it promotes healthy skin. It helps us produce new skin. Beeswax is a very, very important component to add to our bath. So if we actually want our skin to be moisturized, to glow, and to be hydrated. Here I'm adding my turmeric. I've added 1 teaspoon of my turmeric. Just follow me, just watch and see how it goes. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, please, as I share valuable content on this channel weekly. I teach you how to produce various home essential products and also how to start that business and grow it. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is actually Ogechi Madu Koma. Yeah. So just follow me. Let's see how we produce this very, very beautiful and moisturizing bath soap. So I'm stirring it. You have to stir very, very well to trace. Our moisturizing bath soap. Beeswax is a natural moisturizer. It is also natural. It is gotten from bee. That's why it is called beeswax. They are waxes from bee. So you can see our soap is coming up very, very beautiful. It's almost ready. Yes. Now we are going to add our fragrance. You can see our soap coming up very, very beautifully. I am adding my fragrance. You can add your fragrance to taste. I'll be using this one at home. So I'm just adding a little fragrance. And it's smelling so, so beautifully. And you continue stirring. Just stir and stir until it forms that trace that you want. You can see our soap. You can see how beautiful it is. This soap is yummy, yummy, yummy. If you know you want to learn how to produce various home essential products, especially how to produce bar soap for business that will make you profitable, just send me a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing above, and you register for my online class. It is very, very affordable, and I am there to lead you, to guide you by the way until you start that your business and succeed with it. I can actually teach you how to produce bar soap using a very, very profitable method that will make you make profit from your bar soap business. If you're making profit before, you will make more profit from it. Okay, our soap is ready to go into the mold. Look at it. Beautiful. See how simple it is. Okay, so don't mind the crass look of our soap. It is because of the beeswax. Actually, you can decide to warm your oil. Make that oil a little bit warm so that when the beeswax goes into it, it will not form this crass look. But because my oil is cold and the beeswax can get solidified very, very fast, that is why it's looking like so. Just warm your oil a bit, make it warm so that when the beeswax goes in, it will not have this quartz look. It will be warm all through the process of your making your soap. So that is a tip that I've dropped for you. So this is my soap. Beautiful. Don't mind the look again. My son scraped it with a scraper, but that is not it. Our soap is here. Very beautiful. This is how beautiful our soap is. Yay. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. This soap is a bar of goodness. Very rich in vitamin A, is moisturizing, it can heal wounds, it will also help you reduce skin inflammation. It will actually cure acne, pimples. If you have them, dark spots on your face, just use this soap to bath. It will clear them off. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm also going to demonstrate. Look at me washing my hands with it. Look at how foamy it is. Very, very foamy. So let me know, are you going to try this at home? Or you tell me in the comments. Just say yes, I'm going to be trying it. If you have acne, if you have pimples on your face, or you have dark spots, go ahead and make this soap. Just add that turmeric to that soap. It will help remove those. Look at my face. You're not seeing any dark spots, right? Yes. Turmeric removes every dark spot from your skin. And also beeswax help moisturize your skin. Yeah. Just see I want to see my beautiful face. Look at how bubbling it is. It forms very, very well. It lathers very well, gently. It is a very, very good component to incorporate in our soap. I mean turmeric and beeswax. Look at it. Still foaming very well. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. I beg you, and also like and share. Please share to your neighbors and they will thank you for sharing. Please subscribe, please, 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 and hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload new video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.